Today we're making an anklet with this long strand of beaded metal. You could do the same procedure for a bracelet, just make it shorter in length. Hi, this is Joanne with Broadcast Sunny. I am making an anklet out of some beads I got at the store. It's metal and beads, so there's no string and the beads are not separate. So because of that, I'm going to need wire cutters to cut it to the size I want. Keep in mind that once I cut one of these circles, I'm going to lose the bead behind it. So let me measure first. And I measured my own ankle, you might have a different size, to be 10 inches. I measured a 10-inch long piece. Okay, so this is the 10-inch bead. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. I like it when my anklet hangs gently on my ankle. Alright, so I'm going to cut this. Careful not to cut the other one, so the less beads I lose. See, it's not coming off, but I did cut this. There's a space there. Now I'm going to take this lobster clasp. So this just have one side, it doesn't have another side for the circle, so this is going to have to fit into this end. And it does. Alright, so to put on the lobster clasp, you take the end with the circle, take a pair of pliers, and I want to make sure the opening to the circle here is up on the opposite end of the lobster clasp, or where I'm going to open up the pliers. I stick the pliers in the middle and open gently, because I don't want it open too much. Can you see it there? And that's wide enough to put the other end in. Okay, then I take the pliers and gently close it, because I still want to keep it kind of circular. Alright, that's pretty much it. Please support this channel by sharing, and subscribing. Thank you.